Hey guys, welcome to another song tutorial by the Rocky School of Music. Today we're talking about Let It Be by the Beatles from the album Let It Be from 1970, recorded in 1969. So this song, as well as some recent videos I've taught, has some super common strumming patterns. Let's start jumping into it right now. Okay, let me play you there's three sections in the song. I call it A section, a B section to the verse, and the bridge, which I call a C section. So let me quickly play you the intro and the A section of the verse. So we have... So we have C, down, 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 up, G, A minor, F, it's going to be an F6, you put your pinky on the third fret on the second string after your F, C, G, and then we have this little walk down, F down to C, F, E single note, D single note, and C chord. So that strumming pattern, like I said, that super common strumming pattern is going to be two downs, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now this is another common thing that doesn't get talked about too often, but in between each chord, your last upstroke of each of these little patterns, you're going to kind of do open strings. And what that does is gives you a second to think, gives your hands a second to think to get to the next chord to create kind of like a natural flow. So watch this, I'm doing down, down, down. For a split second, I'm hitting the open strings, okay? Now you don't want to hit that really loud. If you hit that really loud, it sounds kind of bad. So if you do that loud, that's not what we want. We want just a subtle little push to get you to the next chord. So it almost just sounds like a percussive little thing, you know? Makes a big difference, and that's going to be used in really tons and tons of songs. Okay, so in the song, the first section, the A section, happens 3 times. Same exact strumming pattern all 3 times. Then we're going to go to the B section. Let's talk about what the chords are in the B section. So we have A minor. All the strumming is going to stay the same. A minor, G, F, C, C, and then we have the F walk down to C thing again. So the end of the B section is exactly the same as the A section. So after doing the B section once, we're going to do A twice again. So we're going to go back to, do that twice. Next time the B section happens, it's twice that time. So right after that, we have the bridge, the C section. Let's talk about what happens in the bridge. So it starts with the end of both the A and B sections, the walk down part. Okay, then we're going to add a couple little other things. We'll go to the first fret, B flat, first fret on the 5th string, open 5th string, and then G, F, C in quick succession. And then the bridge happens twice, so we do it again. Next thing is the guitar solo. Underneath the guitar solo, we're playing just the A section twice. Song's great for beginners. I teach this song to a lot of my beginning guitar students. It's even though it's like meant, you know, there's not a lot of, you don't really hear a strumming acoustic guitar in the verse sections here, but it's all piano, but it just has a nice natural flow on the guitar as well, I think. So after the solo, we're going to do the B section once. After that, A section twice, same as previous. B section here, This is the only time it happens in a song. The B section happens 3 times. Let's quickly play through that B section 3 times. So. That's 1 for 2. Third time. Then we're going to end with the bridge, the C section. F down to C, B flat A, D, F, C. Alright, all you beginners out there, I want you to learn that song, alright? If you're a little more advanced, check out our guitar lesson on the guitar solo in this song. If you'd like to see us do other song tutorials, anything you'd like, please leave comments below. Click the like button, please subscribe, it helps the algorithm. Thank you so much, we'll see you for the next video.